So yung pusuan laruan, yun yung balloon. Marami na akong sinalihang mga dating shows eh. I've been to 5 already. Next video, makita mo na ako dyan.
Are you clear? More nonchalant?
Ikaw ba, bro? Clingy, nonchalant?
Depende sa mood eh. Pero feeling ko nonchalant pa rin talaga ako eh. Chat, kung nonchalant kayo, type none in the chat.
How close are you with your family?
First
Matatanggal
question
to.
answers the second question.
I knew it. I knew it. Oh, I like
so
her.
what's your name?
Alright, search. Bilis ni Kevin, no?
Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Can be like personality traits or physical traits.
A man who is really passionate, resilient.
Bro, are you passionate?
Passionate, yes. Resilient, not so much.
I can love bomb or be too
Oh,
intimate.
don't say that, bro. Wala na. Ipapap na. Why would you say that?
I could definitely tell veterano ka na sa mga ganito. Alam mo na yung mga dapat sabihin, dapat hindi.
Since you're near me.
I
Let's
knew
go over
it.
here.
Well, of course, I was listening to get to know her and
Kang
negative
kabahan,
na.
Ikaw ba kinakabahan ka sa mga ganito?
Yeah. Ang daming nanonood sa yan behind the scenes eh. Once you talk, everybody's looking at you. So nakakaba rin siya talaga.
Red flag ko lang is masyado akong focus sa trabaho this time. Minsan napapabayaan
Good
ko yung...
answer.
So, siguro sa giving love language ko, nasa bottom yung words of affirmation.
What's your top?
Acts of service.
Oh, kaso manatanggal ka eh.
Anong sinabi niyang mali, bro?
Wala naman. I can tell na hindi niya type. Body language, bro.
Because we have to do this. You said you're gonna appear cold. Also, my receiving love language is words of
knew it.
affirmation.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Professional ka na, dude. You could be a professional dating game show
Reactor.
Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Oh, you're gonna get eliminated, bro.
Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sobrang sure.
What? No, you're lying. Stop lying.
Bro, baka naman type niya talaga.
No, you're still lying.